Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss loop else statement. Python loop have an optional else class. The else class of Python loop executed when the loop terminated normally, which means the else always will be executed when the loop terminated normally. If the loop terminated abnormally, on that case else class will be not executed. That is, when the test condition result into the false for a while loop or for loop has executed for the last value in the sequence, not when the break statement terminate the loop, which means if the loop terminated by the break statement, the else class will be not executed. The complete syntax of Python loop along with else class is given below. Just write here the for and then variable in and sequence colon and whatever statement you want to place inside the loop body, and then write here the else and what statement you want to place just within the else part of the for loop. While loop along with the else class is given below. Just write here the while and then test condition colon and then statement else and then statement whatever you want. Now I'm just going to consider a practical example of the loop else statement. Just write here for I in range and pass here the start value as a 1 and start value as a 5. So the loop will be always less than to the start value. So the range of the loop is 1 to 5 and write here a condition if I modulo 8 equals to 0 and then break the loop, otherwise print here the value of I. Just write here the else statement and then write here print ending of the loop. Okay, and save it and run it. Look here, the output is 1 2 3 4 5 ending of the loop. How? Just consider here. First of all, one value assigned into the I variable and check the condition 1 modulo 8 not return the 0, so the condition become false. Control come and print the value of I as a 1. Now at the second time 2 value assigned into the I variable, 2 modulo 8 not return the 0 value, so the condition become false and the print statement print the value of I as a 2. Third time 3 assigned into the I variable, check the condition become false, so print the value of I as a 3. Fourth time 4 value assigned into the I variable, check the condition 4 modulo 8 not return the 0, so the condition become false. Control come and print the value of I as a 4. Then fifth time 5 value assigned into the I variable, check the condition become false, so print function print the value of I as a 5. And the sixth time the loop will be terminated. When the loop terminated, the control come to the else part and print whatever statement you write in the else part. I have write here the ending of the loop, so it print the ending of the loop. Just once again run this program. Look here the output of this program. Now I am going to write here the 2. First time 1 value assigned into the I variable, condition become false, so print the value of I as a 1. Second time the value of I is 2, condition become true, so the loop will be terminated, and in this condition the else part will be not executed because it is abnormally we can say that it is terminated by the break statement. Just run this program. Okay, and the output is 1. I think it is clear for you. Same process assigned with the while loop. I think the concept is clear for you, and please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.